ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ మ్యామ్ ఫస్ట్.
Malvi Malhotra.
మీరు రాజ్ తరుణ్ గారితో వర్క్ చేశారు. అండ్ మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది, ఇంకా మీకు ఎవరితో వర్క్ చేయాలని మీకు అనిపిస్తుంది?
Soon చెప్తాను.
ఓకే. మీకు ఇది ఇక్కడికి రావడం మీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
Actually, Manoj, నేను చాలా మంచి friend, and today I'm in Hyderabad from last couple of days, so I thought he invited me for the event, and it's good to support your friends.
2025లో మీ కెరీర్ ప్లానింగ్స్ ఏంటి?
Next month mostly Tamil cinema release అవుతుంది, and a couple of other projects also coming up.
తెలుగులోనేనా మిగతా లాంగ్వేజెస్లో కూడా మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వచ్చాయి?
కూడా soon చెప్తాను.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. అండ్ ఈ క్యాలెండర్ లాంచింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇది ఫస్ట్ టైమా లేకపోతే ఇది?
Yeah, first time, yes.
హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్ లైక్?
Good, it's nice, entertaining, it's fun. It's like socializing and meeting people is just that for me.
మీకు సెలబ్రిటీ అవ్వాలనే ఇలా ఈ ఫీల్డ్లోకి వచ్చారా లేకపోతే వేరే ఏదైనా అవ్వాలనుకుని ఇలా అయ్యారా?
I love to be part of films. That is the main focus. But these kind of events is just, let you meet a lot of people. And especially today I came here for Manoj, and my friend Avneet, he requested me. He's my stylist. So I thought I'll just come for some time.
సో హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్ టు పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ దిస్?
చాలా ఎక్సైటింగ్ ఉంది అండ్ ఐ ఫీల్ రియలీ స్పెషల్ హియర్ టు బీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈవినింగ్ సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ నైస్. యా,
ఓకే. మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు సెలెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీరు ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు?
ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాగజీన్. No, I'm not the part of the magazine. I'm just here to support Manoj ji.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో మీ కెరీర్ 2025 కెరీర్ ప్లానింగ్స్ ఏంటి?
So I have one movie releasing, actor Brahma ji son with him, Sanjay Rao ji. I am the lead actor in it, and I've worked in Ramnagar Bunny, and I've worked in Madhi as a lead. I worked in Election as a lead, a second lead, and then I worked in Balatandanana as Meenachi with Sri Vishnu garu and Catherine Tressa garu.
సో మీకు ఎవరితో యాక్ట్ చేయాలని కోరిక ఉంది?
With whom?
హీరో ఇన్ సౌత్.
Acha, with whom I want? My favorite is Ram Charan garu. Yeah.
యూ వాంట్ టు?
Yeah.
ఓకే. సో మీకు అతనితో యాక్ట్ చేయాలని ఉంది.
Yeah, I want to act with him.
వెరీ గుడ్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నా పేరు రిచా జోషి. ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ Politicos.
Hi, thank you so much. I actually feel very, very, very pretty today because, as I said on the stage, that every girl desires to capture herself in her true, beautiful sense, and I have been captured in my most authentic and most beautiful self. So I'm really, really, really happy. So yeah,
సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ కెరీర్ ప్లాన్స్ ఇన్ 2025?
that you'll know soon.
విత్ యాక్టర్ యూ వాంట్ టు యాక్ట్?
My all-time favorite actress is Alia Bhatt. So yeah, she is my favorite actress.
హీరో?
Hero, I told you, it's Allu Arjun sir. Yeah.
సో యూ నీడ్ టు యాక్ట్ విత్ హిమ్.
You never know. Yeah. Please subscribe to Politicos. Bye.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. హాయ్, దిస్ ఈస్ కవిత ఫ్రమ్ పొలిటికోస్. హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm good.
హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్ టు అటెండ్ దిస్?
Good. It's very enthusiastic. Everybody is so supportive. Everybody is so excited. I love being here. I love the vibe.
ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ టైమ్ ఆర్ వాట్?
This is my second time here. Last year was my first time, and it has been given me a lot of exposure, and a lot of people, now know me, and now there's a lot of PR going on, and then it creates a lot of buzz around Hyderabad whenever this happens. So I like being a part of it.
Okay, very good. So, who is your favorite actress in Telugu film industry?
Like I just said inside there, it's Rashmika Mandana. I really admire her on screen. It's phenomenal.
Oh, very good. So, who's your favorite hero?
In Telugu, I really like Allu Arjun.
You will understood Telugu?
Little bit,
Okay.
koncham I understand, but then I'm more. Please like, subscribe, and share Politicos.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
This is Kavita from Politicos.
Hi, Kavita.
So how do you feel to attend this?
I am very, very happy and so glad that I was a part of such a big calendar with faces like Kajal ma'am and Shreya ma'am. This is like a big opportunity for me, so I'm really happy.
This is first time or what?
Yes, this is my first time featuring in my South Divas calendar.
So some beauty tips for audience.
Beauty tips.
You are looking very beautiful, so that.
Beauty tip from me would be always keep smiling. It will reduce your age. Yeah, that's my tip.
And I'm seeing you from starting. You are very energetic and very joyous. So how like
How I keep eating. I keep myself. I give myself good energy, so I keep eating. So I'm always energized. Hi, this is Palak Agrawal, and please like, share, and subscribe Politicals.
so? How do you feel to attend this?
So this is my first ever appearance in any of the South Industries event. So of course I'm very, very excited. I was really, really looking forward, and all of you have really showered a lot of love on me. So thank you so much for that. And I'm really looking forward for the other events now.
Very good. So what is your career plans in 2025?
Oh, there are no plans. I have never made any plans in my life. Everything has just happened. So, like, I'm an accidental actress, I would say. I never planned it. And today also, I never planned to be here, but I am here. So, I don't plan actually. I just go with the flow. So, yeah, 2025 will be the same. I'll go with the flow and let's see.
This is your goal or anything you have?
I have actually so many goals, but I don't say it because I get jinxed. Anything I say, it doesn't happen. So let's just go with the flow. Whatever happens, just do your 100%, be there, be present, enjoy that moment. And
So who is your favorite actress in Telugu film industry?
I'll tell that later after 6 months. You know, I'm watching a few films now and then I'll tell later. I'll choose one and then tell. Please do share, like, and subscribe Politicos.
Thank you so much.
Please subscribe to the channel and download the Politicos app from the links in the description.